Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix can't delete voice memos data from iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Touch and hold the voice memos. Tap remove app. Tap delete app. Again delete app. Solution number 2. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap voice memos. Tap clear deleted. Select your any option. Solution number 3. Tap General. On the General page, scroll down. Tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset All Setting. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution 4. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap General. On the General page, scroll down. Tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Thanks for watching this video.